Hey, it's Jay here. Welcome to the channel. This morning I'm shooting sunrise at Rye Playland in Rye, New York. If you like these videos you see on this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss future videos. And let's get started. Just hate when you get to your destination and where you want to go has been blocked off or locked, which is what I found this morning. I want to be down on this beach in Rye, New York, but all of the gates to the beach are padlocked. I would probably just jump the fence, but the top of the fence are these very sharp spikes, and I'd hate to see a headline, "Photographer impaled at Rye Beach trying to sneak onto the beach." Plus there's a whole bunch of cops parked in a parking lot near here, and I'm sure I could explain away why I want to be on the beach at this hour, but I don't need the hassle. So, improvise. I followed a path up along the beach that rises above the beach, and I'll try to get a shot from here. Well, because I'm using a long lens, I got to be very careful with camera shake, because any kind of modest shake gets amplified on the camera, on the lens. So what I'm doing is to not touch the camera. I'm using a self timer, 2-second timer. So I touch the shutter, I press it down, and then in 2 seconds it takes the picture. The camera doesn't move, which is better. I should just get out my camera, my cable release, but just too lazy, I guess. Well, it looks like I got a pretty sky. There's some color kind of coming through, just a sliver of an opening out there, as you see. It's a little tough dealing with the bright lights from the park over here. This is Playland Park, amusement park. But I'm really just focused on that pier out there. So it's not bothering me too much. Not sure you can tell on this camera, but the sky has this real purple glow to it. The clouds are just incredible. I don't love my composition, my vantage point, but I'll certainly take a great sky. Well, I do want to try to smooth out that water, so I put in a 10-stop neutral density filter, which will allow for a much longer exposure. Doing a little trial and error right now, probably go out to about 3 minutes. You know, sometimes you're at a location and the sun just gets better and better as the sun rises. I got just the opposite this morning. The sky really became quite boring pretty quickly as I waited here for the sun to rise. So I'll get some shots, but it's not what I had hoped for. But now going for more of a long exposure, minimalist feel for this dock against kind of the gray water and the gray sky. Maybe black and white, we'll see. sometimes if you just stick around, the sky changes again and you get some interest in the clouds. So the sun's already up, it's behind the clouds, but I'm actually getting some pretty interesting clouds on the horizon now. Actually got some faint sun rays coming through the bottom of those clouds. I hope they become a little bit more defined, but I could probably enhance them a little bit in post. Well, this sky has just gotten better and better. Got these amazing light rays coming through the bottom of these clouds, right in back of this pier. So it's still not the perfect composition because I want to be down by the beach, but I will take the sky any day. I gotta keep shooting. Man, I was about to pack up my stuff before. I am so happy that I stuck around. I think I got some great shots. I'll go home, get them on the computer. Hey, if you like this video, you want to see more like them, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss future videos. And until next time.